This is the Lone Wolf, which is our other performance shortboard in our range. This is way more tailored to speed generating, beach break style, tight pocket surfing. When you stand up and you give it that first initial pump, you're going to get the speed that you want to go forward. It's got all like performance shortboard attributes to it, but like in a simple way. It's a board a full performance board that's going to go in every condition for fucking most surfers. And if you're an elite surfer, it's gonna do exactly what you're supposed to. You want it to do. You're gonna be able to push it as fucking hard as you want to push it. You're gonna be able to put it in the lip or in the air, whatever you want to do. It's just a really, really solid shortboard.